Hi there. If you're teaching phonics-based reading and your students are up to reading CVCs, consonant-vowel-consonant patterns, they might be ready for a little more challenge, long chains of CVCs. This video is about a game that I call Rattlesnake. It's a very simple game and it's not too difficult to make. So give it a try, give your students lots of practice with long chains of CVCs, and by the way, kids love this game. They really enjoy it. So try it and see how it works for you, and let me know in the comments below how it went.
Blue on blue.
Are you guys taking turns? Okay. Again? Everybody read it together?
Garbage.
Verbiage. Very good. Okay.
Garbage. Barbecue.
Verbiage. And then this is up. Right, so verbiage.
Barbecue.
Verbiage.
Barbecue.
Everybody.
Barbecue.
Very good. Wow. Everybody? Very good. So the kids have gone in a straight line, but these are triangles, so they could. When we add on here, it can be added on down here or over here. And if it's added on here, it can be added here or here. So this could have looked something like...
let's see, something like this. Something like this.
And it's the same. It's the same. Anyway, let's try reading it one more time. Ready? Is this I? A. Right. Alexei. And that's how we play Rattlesnake. Thank you for visiting my channel, and thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to try this activity yourself, you can of course design and create your own version from scratch. But you're perfectly welcome to print out my version and save yourself a whole lot of trouble. For that, you want to go down to the video description down there below this video window. You might have to click on the Show More, but then you should see a link to a PDF that you can print out and use as you see fit. You just can't market it or sell it or claim it as your own. Once you've printed it out, you'll need to make the game tiles. So in just a few moments, I'm going to have a live link to a video that shows how I make the game tiles. And I'm even going to throw in another video how I make my game cards for when I need playing cards for games in my classroom. All right then, don't forget the like button, and here are the videos that I promised. Ta-da! Oh look, there's even a button for subscribing. Okay, so thanks again, and I wish you the best in your teaching.
Blue on blue.